Hi, I'm Megan Daniel Moton and I am from the ATKV, responsible for young adult development and innovation.
And I'm Gabriela Jaeger, co-founder of Global Changemakers.
And we are in sunny Cape Town, South Africa this year for the Global Youth Summit of 2025. The ATKV is partnering with Global Changemakers for the third year to bring this amazing summit to South Africa, to Cape Town. And this year is an especially important year because South Africa is leading conversations not only locally, but on the African continent and globally as well.
So we're bringing 50 young people from all over the world for a week of networking, skills building, design thinking in order to implement good initiatives that are going to change their communities.
Ons is baie trots daarop om met Global Changemakers te kan in 'n vennootskap wees. Want die ATKV besef dat om regtig positiewe sosiale impak te maak, moet ons kyk na ons kultuur en hoe ons met mekaar praat. Kultuur en taal is op die hart van die ATKV se gedagtes, van ons lippe, en dit is wat ons gebruik om ons kultuurprojekte te bedryf. En die Global Changemakers is presies dieselfde.
Global Changemakers has specialized in supporting the ideas of young people and making their projects a reality. So we're super excited for this week.
Yes, they're going to be networking, they're going to do skills transfers, they are going to learn so much about GCM projects and also about how to be sustainable in the communities after this week of networking going forward. And we look forward to see what these young people come up with. I just taught Gabby a new handshake. Let's see if she gets that.